Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go! In the previous week analysis, it was mentioned that the price could reach upper levels like 1.08200 and 1.08230. But the price could not break above this resistance level 1.07825. We can see this is the start of this week. We see the bullish candle that has started the week and moved completely to the first resistance, and that is 1.07825, and from there it has found a supply zone with lots of sellers and also the buyers that has moved outside of the trades, and the price returned back down, reaching this first support level, and that is 1.06736. From this support level, the price has bounced up and closed the day, which is right on the start of the week. What we can see here is also this level that has prevented the price previous week to move upwards and close the day. This week has moved up, but on the second day, on the Tuesday, the price did not move below, which means this price level was holding the price above, and also the buyers was much stronger. This was also an indication on Tuesday that the price will have hard time to move down, but what we can see on Wednesday is completely bearish candle that took the price below previous lows. We can see here from the previous week, and also below this support level 1.06736. This was indication for me that the price will move down and reach 1.05825, because what we can see, this price level and also this one where the day has closed, and also the lowest level the price has reached, is nowhere between these two support and resistance level. So it was a clear indication the price doesn't have any support here, but it has selling pressure from the above and will reach the lower level. But on the next day, on Tuesday, we can see the bullish candle that has overtook the previous day candle and also closed the day above this important level, which suggested that the bulls has recovered from this bearish candle and also this selling pressure, and we could see the price reaching higher levels. On Friday, the price has reached higher levels, and that is around this supply zone around 1.07825. But the selling pressure here did not allow buyers to push higher and break above previous levels, and these levels are these ones. But the price returned back down and reached almost this demand zone around 1.06736. So the price has closed below this important level, this one that has held the price previous week and prevented the price reaching higher levels. So we can see that this week has closed as a bearish week because the open price is above close price. So what we can expect on the next week? For the next week we have two important levels, and those are 1.06736 as a support level for the price, and also 1.07825 as a resistance level. Because the price has break above but returned back down, we could also look this as a false breakout on the upper side, and also we have here a break below previous low levels, which means this is also this could be also a false breakout to the lower levels. So we need to wait until the price makes a move. We need to wait, will the price break below this support level, or it will break above this resistance level. As it looks now, the market could move down here around this level, around this support level, because the price is closed below previous week open price, and also there is a room here for the price to find a greater support before heading upwards. If the price breaks below this support level and close the day again below this, we could expect the price will reach down 1.05825 as a support. I have also put this uptrend resistance and support lines so we can see where the price could find a confluence of support or resistance. For the support, we have here this level around 1.05825 as a support confluence, which could hold the price from moving down further, and also to find a greater support for the future move up to break above 1.07825. On the upper side, we have here the previous week target, and that is around 1.08300, which is confluence of resistance with a monthly triangle support line, which is now acting as resistance. We have here horizontal resistance level, and also we have here uptrend resistance line. So this level here for the price will be hard to break, because with what we can see here in the past, what has happened, we have a strong bearish pin bar around this level. We have also here a resistance and support level, much more resistance than it is support, so the price will have a hard time to break above, and we will see that the price will find a great supply zone that will push the price back down if it reaches easily. So for the trading and also finding in the entry levels, I am much more inclined to see the price on higher levels. But to find the price on higher levels, I would like to see much more stronger support zone like this here or like this here. If the price makes a price action signal for the buyers, and also please be aware that this is the daily time frame, you could also look for the 4-hour time frame price action signal to find the entry zone around this level. But be careful if the price doesn't create any bullish price action signal here. Wait until the price reaches this lower level, if the price reaches at all. Currently we are in the middle of the support level and also the resistance level, so it is smart to wait until the price reaches this support or this resistance. It is not smart to trade in the middle, because the risk to reward ratio will not be good for you and you will not have a profitable trade entry. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.